Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style small farmhouse decor ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style small farmhouse decor combines rustic country charm with old world elegance. The goal is to make a small space feel warm, peaceful, and lived in, like a cozy cottage or an old farmhouse. The mood and atmosphere. This style creates a space that feels calm, natural, nostalgic, cozy, welcoming. Nothing is too shiny or modern. Instead, everything looks soft, warm, and slightly aged. Textures are very important. Textures help give small farmhouse decor its unique look. Use rough wood, soft cotton fabrics, oven baskets, stone or clay pieces. Metal items with a little rustic finish. Vintage glass jars. These mixed textures create visual interest without making the space look crowded. Mix of old and new. You don't need expensive antiques. You can mix modern furniture with vintage decor, new items with distressed finishes, handmade crafts with simple rustic pieces. This makes the style affordable and easy to create. Vintage accessories that work well in small spaces. Some perfect additions. Use old books, metal candle holders, porcelain bowls, iron keys, vintage picture frames, farmhouse style clocks, small wooden trays. These pieces fit easily into small rooms while adding charm. Functional decoration. This decor style is practical. Most items are both useful and beautiful, such as mason jars for storage, oven baskets for organizing, wall shelves to save space, wooden cradles for holding magazines or plants. You save space while still decorating beautifully. Vintage patterns. Small farmhouse decor often uses soft patterns like checks, florals, stripes, tile, classic countryside prints. These patterns keep the room simple but stylish. Lighting style. Vintage farmhouse lighting is usually warm white, not bright white. Soft yellow or candle-like, rustic metal lamps, glass pendant lights, lantern style lights. Soft lighting makes small rooms feel cozy, not charmed. Handmade and craft items. Handmade items are very important. Crochet pillow covers use handcrafted baskets, DIY painted frames, homemade candles, wooden crafts. These give the room personality and make it look unique. Farmhouse themes. You may see themes like cottage kitchen style, country garden flowers, farm animals, simple wall prints, own wooden furniture, country style sign like home, farm fresh, etc. Simple, never cluttered. Vintage farmhouse does not mean too much stuff. It means simple, meaningful, beautiful items that make the room feel peaceful. Small spaces look best when decorated with few well-chosen pieces, light colors, open shelves, small but stylish accessories. More deep information about vintage style farmhouse decor. Vintage style decor is not just a style, it is a feeling of simple countryside living mixed with old time memories. It turns even a very small room into a warm, peaceful, charming space. The warm and old look, a true vintage farmhouse style, celebrates items that look a little aged, slightly faded, soft and lived in, rustic rather than polished. Examples: a wooden chair with chipped paint, a distressed cabinet, a metal box with a matte finish. These imperfections add beauty and character. A small space magic, multi-use furniture. In small rooms, vintage farmhouse decor often uses furniture that is more than on use. A wooden bench that works as sitting, plus storage. A ladder shelf that holds decor plus towel. A small trunk that works as a table plus a storage box. A wall-mounted foldable tables. They save space while enhancing the vintage look. Layering with soft fabrics. Layering fabrics creates comfort without crowding the room. Use layered throw blankets, cushions with different textures like linen plus cotton. Light checkered curtains. Use crochet throw for cozy farmhouse charm. Layers soften the room and make it more welcoming. Mini rustic displays. Vintage farmhouse decor loves tiny, simple display corners. A small tray with a candle, plus mini vases plus old books. A tiny shelf with messengers. Use a wooden crutch with plants. A vintage bowl holding giant flowers. These little moments add charm without taking up space. Earthy color palette. Along with neutral whites, farmhouse vintage decor also includes warm browns, dusty greens, soft taupe, muted blues, faded rose tones. These colors feel natural, like countryside landscapes. Use rustic metals. Vintage farmhouse style uses metals that look old or handmade, like iron, galvanized metal, brushed brush, vintage bronze finishes. Examples use metal lanterns, old style door handles, iron wall hooks. These add a classic rustic character. Farmhouse wall accents. Some wall accents that match this style use shiplap wall panels, whitewashed wooden boards, rustic open shelves, vintage style big rails. These add texture and cottage character to small walls. Classic farmhouse themes you will often see: wildflower artwork, farm animal sketches, withered farmhouse sign, vintage botanical illustrations. These add personality without overwhelming the room. Bringing nature indoors. Nature is a big part of the farmhouse style. Use dried lavender or cotton stems, small potted herbs, wooden bowls filled with pine cones, fresh cut garden flowers. Nature keeps the space lively and peaceful. Story-rich decor pages. Vintage farmhouse decor often includes items that feel meaningful, like grandmother's style crockery, old picture frames, heirloom style furniture, handmade baskets, even if they are not real antiques. The idea is to use items that look like they have a story. Small room layout principles. Vintage farmhouse decor follows these space-saving rules. Keep the center of the room open. Place furniture along walls. Use vertical storage like shelves or hooks. Choose small-scale furniture. Avoid clutter. Add only meaningful decor pieces. This keeps the room airy, not crowded. Farmhouse kitchen style for small spaces. In small kitchens, The vintage farmhouse looks include open wooden shelves, messenger storage, white ceramic dishes, a small rustic cutting boards, a simple hanging rod for utensils. It feels homely and functional. Vintage bathroom touches for a small bathroom. Use wicker baskets, white plus wood elements, a small wall shelves, floral cotton towels, antique style mirror. This creates a mini cottage spa vibe. Farmhouse bedroom style. A small farmhouse bedroom includes light colored bedding, simple wooden or metal bed frames, soft lamps, floral or gingham bed sheets, wooden nightstands. It feels peaceful and cozy. Affordable and DIY friendly. One of the best things about this decor style is you can make many items yourself. You can repaint old furniture. You can reuse jars, baskets, crates. You can thrift cheap vintage items. This make it perfect for young people or small homes. Vintage farmhouse decor is more than decorations. It is a lifestyle design that connects old rustic beauty with simple country charm. The philosophy behind the style vintage farmhouse decor focuses on simplicity over luxury, comfort over perfection, history over trend, natural beauty over modern shine. Everything should feel relaxed, authentic, connected to nature, a little nostalgic. This is what makes the space emotionally warm and grounding. The collected of a time look. Designers never make a farmhouse room look brand new. It should appear as if items are collected slowly over years. This means mixing different woods, different metals, different fabrics, old plus new pieces, handmade plus store bought items. Nothing matches perfectly, and that is the charm. Use of negative space, like empty space. A small farmhouse taker uses negative space carefully. Why? Empty space gives breathing room. It keeps small rooms from looking overcrowded. It highlights key taker items. It creates a calmer atmosphere, so designers avoid filling every shelf or corner. Windows farmhouse lighting techniques. Lighting changes the entire vibe. Good lighting includes soft, warm bulbs, not bright white. Lamps with fabrics or frosted glass shades. Light bouncing off white or off white walls. Candles or lantern style lighting for mood. Minimal ceiling light to avoid harsh shadows. This creates a cottage like warmth. Vintage finishes designers use. Professional farmhouse decor often includes matte finishes, chalk paint, whitewashed wood, stains or rubbed edged, brushed metal not shiny. These finishes reduce glare and softness and look timeless. Farmhouse symmetry vast imperfection. Farmhouse style allows slight imperfections, uneven wood grain, hand painted looks, rough textures, worn edged. These imperfections remind you of real life and cottage charm. Creating focal points in small spaces. In small farmhouse rooms, designers usually choose one focal point. A rustic wall shelves, a large farmhouse clock, a distressed cabinet, a cozy reading corner, a simple wooden table with decor. This stops the room from feeling busy. A signature farmhouse patterns. Some typical designers' patterns. Gingham checks, ticking stripes, thin vintage stripes, tall prints like natural sunsets, tasty florals, tiny floral prints, crane sex stripes. These patterns add a gentle countryside character. Natural imperfect materials. Designers prefer notes in wooden planks, slightly uneven ceramic mugs, hand-woven baskets, raw linen with visible threads. These feel honest, earthy, and handcrafted. Vintage kitchen styling secrets. Small kitchen farmhouse feel warm and lived in fire. Open shelves with white dishes, a few enamel pieces, labels written in vintage font, a small rustic cutting boards, copper or iron utensils, glass jars with giant herbs. Everything is useful and beautiful. A small living room farmhouse tricks to make small living rooms feel cozy but not crowded. Use own small sofa plus on chair, avoid oversized furniture. Add to textured drawers. Mix own floral pillow plus own checkered pillow. Place a woven basket beside the sofa. Add a simple rug to anchor the space. This creates a layered, inviting look. Farmhouse bedroom secrets. A small farmhouse bedroom use light bedding, white or soft gray sheets, a simple metal or wooden bed frame, a vintage-style wall lamps, wooden stools as a nightstand, a hand-made quilt or crochet blanket. This makes the room feel peaceful and dreamy. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.